You wouldn't just try to use a piece of tape to hold your stained glass project together, would you? That's basically what you're doing if you are only tinning your pieces and not fully soldering. Tinning is putting a super thin layer of solder on your foil, and it does absolutely nothing for structural integrity of your piece. This is nice rounded domed beads and nice rounded domed edge beads. Check out the edge on this. I can just pick and peel that right off very easily. This, I could do, ow, all freaking day, and it's not gonna come apart. There are a lot of different components that are involved in making your piece structurally strong, which starts with how you draw your pattern. So that's a big factor to consider. However, no matter how well you draw your pattern, if you don't have good, solid, strong framework, your solder lines and your edge beading, your piece is gonna fall apart no matter what you do. That's not to say you shouldn't tin at all. In fact, I tin all of my work before I do my full solder lines and my edge beading. Solder likes to stick to solder, so it's kind of like priming before you paint a little bit, and it also helps to fill in little gaps between your glass pieces, which helps to prevent solder sputtering up in your frickin' face hole. So make sure to have nice rounded dome solder lines and rounded dome beads. Got any questions? Let me know. Peace, love, stained glass. Okay, bye.